What's going on, guys? Your boy G here. Glad to have you guys with me once again. Welcome to the Bird Room. So today I am doing a little bit of egg food for the birds. So as you can see, we have carrots, broccoli, actual egg, and the egg shell. That's all there is in here right now. And I'll show you. I took some pictures of how much of what I did so you guys can get a clue of what to do. I don't have that many birds right now, but that will change soon. So this amount here, there will be a little bit left over, and that's because I don't give doubles to birds. You know, like if they eat it and then I go and give some more. I only do that for the ones that have babies, and that's mostly societies. Okay, I wouldn't do it to a Gouldian, I don't think, depending on how its body is already. If it has a little bit overweight, that all depends. That all has, you all gotta take that into accountability. So, as y'all know, I have this type of egg food and Abba's, that type of egg food. Let me do that. I'm gonna put some of this in. And some of this. All that is going in there today. There's already eggshell in there. All that stuff is in there. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of mealworm. I'm gonna crush it up. Just a little bit. Even if your birds don't eat it, offer it to them, okay? Offer it to them, because eventually they will. That's all, guys. You don't need much. Make sure it's the product that it is. One time I thought it was that product, and I put coccidiosis medicine in the egg food. And when I looked, I'm like, oh my God, what did I just do? So I had to go ahead and redo a whole new batch. So I don't put as much as the dry egg food. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, because I want the birds to benefit the actual egg that's in there, you know? This one smells amazing. I put a little bit extra of that one, okay? And we're gonna get the mixing. Mix it up very well. If you guys feel that you need to add another eggshell or different type of seeds in there, I'm gonna add a little bit of Niger, I don't know how you pronounce that thing. Yeah. Because this type of seed comes in the egg food. Okay. And if you don't think it's enough, a little bit more. That's all. It's very good for them. It's very good for them. So this is the thing, okay? Let's say you're starting with new birds, and the birds that you used to have 10 years ago, they ate broccoli, lettuce, you know, everything. Everything you put in front of them, they ate. And these birds, you do something like this, and they don't eat it. It's because they're not used to it. Okay? It's because their ex-owner didn't provide these type of nutrition for them. They just gave it to them in a different way instead of the natural way. Okay? I have birds in here now that won't even touch it. Don't even touch it. And I have birds that, Goulians, if you put mealworms in a little container in front of them, they'll devour it. And then you got birds that I put, same thing, Goulians, and they don't need, they just look at it like, what the heck is that? It's because they weren't used to being given these types of feed. Okay? But that doesn't mean for you not to give it to them. Offer it to them just in a small amount. One day they will eat it. And then it's like you can't get them to eat enough of it. Or you can't stop them to eat enough of it. Well, you know what I'm saying, but anyways, this is it, guys. This is beautiful, okay? This is gorgeous. I got a pair of Goulians that I'll put it and I come back an hour later and they're still the same. And I give it to them in this. Some people like to give it to them in something like this. You know? Whatever container you have. If it's only one bird in there, you know, I'll get just a little bit, just enough for them to eat it. If it's societies and they have babies, this is what they'll get. And when they eat it, I'll give it another one. Make sure you want to get a little bit of everything, which is already very well mixed. So the birds should get it all. Stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna feed the birds and be right back. What's going on, guys? So here we have the birds. Birds are picking away at it. They love it. We have the canary. These guys want to come, but I'm right here, so they're not even doing nothing. Got the owl-finch eating. Okay, look at this. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you. I got some English budgies. That's gay green. Both of them are. The male's the one in the front. The female's the one in the back. I'm gonna start getting into these guys. Look at it. They love it. They absolutely love it. And you know what that tells me? That their ex-owner used to feed this kind of stuff to them. Okay? They're devouring that up. They're eating it. That's all good stuff for them. You know? She wants to come over here, but I'm over here, so it's like, can I just get a little bit of things? Guys, these things, giving your birds the nutrition that they need is so important. You know, most of us, we just get lazy. Like, oh, I gotta do another egg food with broccoli. I gotta cook it. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. Oh, I gotta go to the store and buy it. Oh, man, I don't want. And then we end up not doing it. You know, we end up not doing it. And then the birds don't get the nutrition they need. And then we're like, oh, why isn't my birds laying eggs? Oh, why isn't my birds feeding the babies properly? Oh, why this or why? Well, it all starts with us. That's it. It starts with us. If we don't put ourselves in check, these birds don't know what to do. They can't leave the cage and get it themselves. You know? They cannot leave the cage and get it themselves. So you guys want to have healthy babies? You know, birds that like to eat these kind of things, offer it to them. Offer it. This Goulian, this pair, same way you see it here will be the same way I would have to throw it away. But their owner probably never gave it to them. Okay. He wants mealworm. That's what they want. You guys love the mealworms. So us as bird keepers, give it to your birds twice a week. I give it twice a week when it's breeding season, guys. Remember, breeding season. Because if you give it to them off breeding season, if they don't have babies and you're just feeding them egg food and feeding them egg food, your birds are gonna get fat. Your egg fertility is going to go way down. And then you're going to be mad at yourself. Getting the birds fat is so easy. Getting the weight off of them is really hard. Just like humans, okay? It's just like us. So it all depends what you want to do. Look at that. These budgies devoured it. And you got these two saffron finches that they're starting to touch the feed. The female absolutely loves it. She does a great job getting them. These guys are still in here. She'll go out and need some food. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I put some pictures up. You guys can put whatever you guys like into your egg food. Okay? And a very important thing, guys. Once you prepare it, and the second you put it into the cage, 2-3 hours tops. Take it away. Don't leave it there for 8 hours, 9 hours till the next day. Don't do it. When the egg will start to ferment and bacteria starts to grow. And another important key. Once they're done eating here, they go to the water to get a drink. The residue of the egg will stay inside the water. And then that water will start to ferment. So as soon as you're done giving them the egg food, take it away and clean all the waterers, every single one. Rinse it out and put clean water. I had birds die before because of the ferment bacteria. Believe me, it happens quick. That bacteria is so vicious, it kills the birds within days. Especially if it's a hot summer day and you're giving it to the birds. Oh man, boy, you are in trouble. Listen to the babies. They eat and they give it right back to the babies. So as like them, I will give more. This is how much I still have left. Quite a bit. You know, quite a bit. But it doesn't stop me from doing it. I'm not gonna take this and put it in the fridge. I will not. Some people do it, I will not. But guys, just remember, I give a 3-hour rule, okay? 2 hours, 3 hours. That's why I don't give it to them when I'm going to work. When I'm going to work, I'll do the dry egg food mix. That can stay in the cage till the next day. That don't matter. But as soon as you put the boiled egg, no. That has to be taken out within 2 to 3 hours. That's it. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share this video. And hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye now.